Hello! In this video I set up Epson printer to print remotely. I cover the following and use one of the multifunctional EcoTank models, for which you can find the review in the upper right corner. Remote print is supported on a number of Epson Wi-Fi models of L or ET series, as different naming may be used in different regions. I start from the Epson Connect main page, where I select Setup and then to register my printer with Epson Connect. Installation of exe file is required. After quick installation, the application finds my network printer. As I have already connected my printer to Wi-Fi in the video in the upper right corner. The admin password on my model I find inside the printer. About a minute later, I agree with the terms and conditions to create my global Epson account. The registration is complete and the printer automatically prints the Epson Connect document. For details on scan to cloud instructions, see the video in the upper right corner of the screen. As in this video I cover the printing via Epson Connect. Find the email address in the Epson Connect portal. With email print you can send attachment to the email assigned to your printer. I have already covered the details of this with Epson Wi-Fi printer with no screen. See it in the upper right corner. First page printed is file data, and then also the attached document is printed. Not to use too much paper, deselect the following in the Epson Connect portal in Email Print Settings. And the second print option is Remote Print. Let's start the setup process by inputting access key for my printer. Then in the Epson Connect main page, select to download and install Remote Print driver. Installation is quick and easy and requires the access key, which is optional but recommended. About a minute later, the setup is complete. To print remotely from the computer, use Remote Printer driver like any other printer driver that is installed to the PC. For this test I only print a Windows test page. the page has been printed, and in the Epson Connect portal I can check the status log. And that would be all in this video. If you find this video useful, give it a like and feel free to subscribe to support my channel, as it is free and helps me to create more content in the future. Find more about Epson printers in the EcoTank playlist in the description. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.